your skin. So are you taking care of your skin? And whereas cosmetics is a matter of choice, I believe skincare is not a matter of choice. It's an essential skincare regime. So are you following that regime? Please ask yourself. Hello my beautiful people, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before we dive into this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I am Aarti Shukla and welcoming you all. So guys, news of supporting homegrown brands is making rounds these days, right? And a lot has been said and a lot has been discussed about shunning Chinese products and giving encouragement to our Indian brands, right? So this video is right in that very context where I would be talking about three most important homegrown brands which are quite popular, and most of us use their products more often than not. I'm not going to be talking about anonymous brands. In brands के बारे में आपको पता है, and I've also mentioned these brands in my previous videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about three very good face masks slash face packs, as you may call them. So guys, these face packs are extremely good for our skin, and I've been using them from over a period of time, and I feel that they are doing wonders to my skin. So I thought, why not film a video and share it with you guys. So guys, the very first brand that I will be talking about is none other than Biotique. We all are aware about this brand, and we all know that it has a range of skin and hair care products, right? They are extremely affordable, and at that they are extremely effective at the same time, right? So हमको क्या ही चाहिए? We all look for affordable skin and hair care range, and this is the one for you. And for me, the best part about Biotique is that it is based, or it is founded on our Indian Ayurvedic formulations. It is deeply rooted in aromatherapy and Ayurvedic medicinal properties. So I have immense faith in in our Indian Ayurvedic system, and I truly believe that the ingredients that go into making such products are extremely beneficial for our skin, and they cause no harm. They are extremely flawless. आपको इनके कोई भी side effects नहीं होगा. That's what I feel, and that's what I swear by. And I would like to thank my friend for introducing me to this product. So guys, the product that I'm talking about is Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Biofruit Whitening Depigmentation and Tan Removal Face Pack. And guys, if you're suffering from uneven skin tone, if you have a tanned face and suffering from hyperpigmentation, then this is the product for you. And trust me guys, it has done wonders to my skin, in the sense that I really feel my skin has become supple, my skin has become rejuvenated, because इसमें ingredients क्या है हम उनके बारे में जानते हैं. The ingredients that it has are multani mitti, tomato juice, pineapple juice, geru powder, etc. So guys, जितना मैं जानती हूँ, हमें पता है मुल्तानी मिट्टी हमारे लिए कितनी अच्छी है हमारे स्किन के लिए, especially during summers, because it helps in getting rid of all the excess oils that our skin secretes, and dirt, and it also helps in getting rid of clogged pores. So मुल्तानी मिट्टी हमारे स्किन के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है. It has a calming sensation, and pineapple juice and tomato juice contains vitamin C, and we all know that vitamin C is a potent agent for a flawless and ageless skin. Your skin looks younger and better and so brighter, right? So it is a powerful combination of all the ingredients that it has. So guys, I will really recommend this product, and it comes in a price range of rupees 200. So I believe it is extremely good. 200 rupees में हमें इतना अच्छा product मिल रहा है. So for me, it's a big thumbs up, and I would like to give it a go ahead. आप खुद ही इसको यूज करके देखिए guys, and you will really see that effect, that good impact on your skin, on your face. Also guys, very minor flaw that I came across is that, I'll be very genuine, that I felt that it doesn't give your face that extra luster, or that extra brightening, because your face looks the texture of your skin looks the same. However, your skin feels really fresh. So if you want a calming sensation, if you want to give your skin a very nourished, a very calming effect, then please go ahead and use this product. So guys, मैं आपको इसका texture दिखाती हूँ. This is how the texture of this face pack looks. I've almost finished the tub because मैं इसको frequently use कर रही हूँ, and इसके results बहुत अच्छे हैं. So guys, I've also filmed a video of before and after the application of this face pack. So I would like to show it to you so that you can see for yourself the effect that it has on my skin.
So guys, after washing my face, I use this Mogra toner from Kama Ayurveda. This is for intense hydration and maintaining the pH level of my skin. So after spraying this on my face, I'm all good to go.
And guys, the second brand that I'll be talking about is my personal favorite, which I every time use, is In Nature, and the face pack is an absolute love, guys. It is so gorgeous. So the name of this face pack is Sandal Face Pack, and it claims that it controls blemishes and pigmentation, but I would like to add more. So guys, if you want that extra glow on your face, and if you want supple skin, really baby soft like skin, then this is the face pack for you. And it contains so many beneficial ingredients that can do wonders to our skin. And it contains saffron, it contains sandalwood powder, it contains turmeric extract, which has antibacterial properties. It contains vetiver, which hydrates our skin, and other important ingredients, guys. So this is one such face pack which is a powerful combination of all the essential ingredients, and it comes in a price range of rupees 400. And guys, I believe that rupees 400, your money will not go waste, because number one, we do not use face packs every day, maximum twice or once in a week, that's right, and it lasts for about 2 months, 2 to 2.5 months, right? So I think you can give it a go ahead, you can give it a try, and I'm sure you will fall in love with this face pack. So let me show you the texture of this face pack. That's how it looks, and the smell that it has, you wouldn't enjoy the fragrance of this pack, but after the application of this face pack, you will feel that your skin has come to life, and you will absolutely love its after effects. So you should give it a go ahead.
Again guys, apply the face pack on your face for some time and then wash it off with cold water, and then apply some toner. It is very important for intense hydration of your skin.
So guys, third brand is my personal favorite brand, skincare brand, and it's Kama Ayurveda. suggest, it is also based on our ancient Ayurvedic system. It follows all the ancient Ayurvedic formulations, and that's why it has been able to come up with such genuine products, such adorable products that will do wonders to your skin and to your hair. Karma Ayurveda is that one brand which I totally believe that it lives up to its claims. So the product that I'm talking about in this video is Suvarna Haldi Chandan Brightening Face Pack. So guys, आपको लग रहा होगा ये इतना छोटू सा क्यों है? Because this is the sample that I have. Honestly speaking, अभी तक मैंने इसको purchase नहीं किया है. I've been just using the samples that I receive often whenever I buy some hair oils or some creams or any other products. So again, I have this sample for you guys, and guys, Suvarna face pack, it is an extremely beautiful product because I believe it does wonders to your skin. And as it says, it's a brightening face pack. So guys, सच में ये आपकी स्किन को ब्राइटन अप कर देता है. Your skin looks lustrous, your skin looks glowy, dewy and whatnot, and you will not feel that it has taken away the natural moisture of your skin. You will not feel a tightening effect on your skin. Rather, you'll feel that your skin has become much more supple. But guys, it comes in a powdered form like this. So what you can do is either you can mix it with raw milk, or you can use some toner that I have and mix it with toner or raw milk, and just ensure that it does not have a runny consistency and it can stay on your face for some time. So you can apply it, keep it for 10-12 minutes, and after that simply wash it off with cold water, and you will definitely feel that your skin has got that extra glow on your face. If you can splurge, if you can go for a high-end brand and splurge some more amount, then this is the one for you. The price range that it comes for is rupees 1595, which is almost equivalent to 1600 rupees. Yes guys, so it is on the expensive side, I do admit that, but it is worth every single penny. आपकी स्किन के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. आपकी स्किन अगर if you truly want to use some natural authentic products, then this is the one for you.
So guys, I've mixed it up with raw milk and applied it on my face to keep it for some time, and then I have washed it off, and again doing the same ritual.
So guys, that was all in this video, and I hope you really find it useful. And the products, guys, I'm pretty sure that if you purchase them, you will not regret it, and you will rather gain good results after using these products. So on this note, guys, I sign off. Until I meet you next time, please take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, stay happy, and I'll see you very soon with yet another video of mine. Please take good care of yourself. I love you. Bye bye.